Python date interval intersection. As a matter of general interest, I'm wondering if there's a more elegant/efficient way to do this. I have a function that compares two start/end tuples of dates returning true if they intersect. So if then, etc. I'm curious to know if there's a more Pythonic/elegant/more efficient/less verbose/generally better way to do this with maybe mx date time or some clever hack with time delta or set. An alternative and useful form would be for the function to return a start/end tuple of the intersection if one is found. Thanks.
It's not really more Pythonic, but you can simply the logic to decide on an intersection somewhat. This particular problems crops up a lot. To see why this works, think about the different possible ways that the two intervals can intersect and see that the starting point of one must always be within the range of the other.
An alternative and hopefully more intelligible solution. We can get the interval of the overlap easily. It is latest_start, earliest_end. Note that latest_start can be equal to earliest_end. It should be noted that this assumes that a_start equals a_end and b_start equals b_end.
Here's a version that gives you the range of intersection. Mho, it might not be the most optimized hash of conditions, but it clearly shows when T2 overlaps with T1. You can modify based on other answers if you just want the true/false.
This will accept an intersection consisting of a single point, otherwise use 0. The intuition is that an intersected interval, if it exists, starts at the highest start and ends at the lowest end. There are two possibilities. It is a correct interval, possibly of length 0. The start and end points end up being switched. This means there is a gap between the two intervals, which you might call a negative intersection.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.